Have you all tried? Given a shot to this attendance quiz here. Okay. Let's see what you have for the answers here first. Are there finite or infinite multiples of variable A? Raise your hand if you think it's finite. Oh, everybody thinks infinite? Why is that? Why do you think it's infinite? Can you give me an example? What are multiples of A?
2A.
2A, right? Any other multiple? You can make one up, yeah? 2A is one of them. 5A.
48A.
48A. Any other? How about A squared? Will it be multiple? A squared? 3A cubed. Will that be multiple? What am I multiplying A by? If it is 3A cubed, what am I multiplying A by? I have given each one of you the slate where you can write it with the marker, the sheet. You can answer this question on that and raise it up so I can see. What do you think I'll multiply A by to get 3A cubed multiple? Just write your answer on that.
I didn't get a marker.
Yeah. Sorry about that. And just raise it up and tell me. Do I know? Yes, yeah. Let's see what you have. Okay. What should you multiply A by so that you end up getting 3A cubed? So everybody should have a laminated sheet and a marker to write on, and an attendance quiz. Make sure you pick one of the attendance quiz as well. We are working on it. So, what should I fill in here? 3A squared. So you can have multiples for A. Is that okay? Let's go over number 2. Perform the operations and simplify as much as you can. Did we try to simplify all the way, and what is our final answer? Those who have already attempted that question. Carly, do you want to come up and put your answer on the board so everybody can check? That's okay. That's what we're checking. Whether it's right or wrong, we'll discuss it as a group. Just put the answer for now. Let's see. What is the second answer? Is there anybody else who got a different answer? We'll put that up as well. Please come up and put it. Or you can show me there. What do you have? 7x minus 3x squared plus 1 over. Alright. Anyone else getting a different answer? Yes, Nancy.
8x squared minus 9x plus
minus 9x plus 1. That's the third one. Let's see, why are we getting so many different answers here. I'll remind you a few things. First of all, you have to make sure you find LCD, right? Check on that. You review your work. Check on it. Is your LCD same as what I have here? All right. Then you compare the denominators to see what is missing in each denominator so I can make it look like LCD. Let's see if we have done that correctly. Here, what is missing?
X minus 1.
X minus 1. So we get this part here. What is missing here?
X plus 1.
Very good. So everybody understands up to this point, right? Now I want you to check your work for this. When you are distributing these, be very careful with the sign. Check your work on that before I do it. Then distribute 3x first before you distribute and take care of the negative. Alright? Check on that as well. I'll give you some time to do review. Be careful about the sign when you're distributing. And then tell me which one is the answer you all are getting. Checking your work. Good job. Have you started it? Okay. What did you wrong? But make sure you distribute it correctly. X times 5x. X times 5x. Correct. Remember that when you're multiplying, the power of the variable changes. You are not doing the addition of the coefficients, okay? You're multiplying the powers. Multiplying the variables. So it'll be 5x squared. Correct. Let me wait for that. Can you do that here? Can you show the work there on the board, please? While I'm helping him. Let's see. This is 5x squared minus. Yeah, you have so many things and you've got them negative in between. There is an. You have to see what is the LCM. Let's start here first. Yeah. Whatever is common, you only take it once. Okay? Whatever is uncommon, you still take it, multiply it together. That's why you are overdoing. Yeah, that's why you're getting so many binomials here. Okay, so LCM you have to know how to find. You see that? So now you can start all over it back here. Or you just restart. Okay? Yeah, because this, LCM you have to take. Correct. What is your answer? No, you have to check for this one. Make sure that you first take care of these two, and then you distribute negative. Do that part for me again.
Alright.
Can you do that part again?
Oh, yeah.
And same thing here. We need to work on this part again. Make sure you distributed that correctly.
you have this will be.
All right, let's see if we all agree with what is the answer put in the brown marker. 2x squared minus 3x plus 1. Is this answer right? All right, why not? What's wrong here?
Negative 3x times 1 would be negative 36.
Negative 3x times?
1 would be negative 3x.
Is that what you're saying the mistake is?
Yeah.
So I should have, instead of positive 3x, what should I have?
Negative 3x.
Negative 3x. This is what I see some of you do. The distribution should be done correctly. Okay? We have to be really careful because your whole question can fall apart because of one negative step. So make sure you take care of that. And this would be then 2x squared minus 9x plus 1. How many attempts it took you to make sure that you have it correct? But you got it, right? You get the process. We have to be very careful about the computation when you're distributing negative. So let's move on.